Olympic headlines. Good afternoon. You're watching NDTV 24/7. I'm Neha Khanna. Our top story this hour. The Chief Justice of India has come down heavily on the centre for the delay in appointment of judges. Justice T.S. Thakur today told the Attorney General, who is representing the centre, the government is sitting on judges' appointment. Don't force us to pass judicial orders to end the logjam. He went on to say, we can't leave a situation where courts are allowed to be shut down. There has to be some accountability. If you have problems with the names, send them back. The collegium can consider it. But you cannot sit on the files and not process the recommendations.
After the Supreme Court has come down heavily on the government on the judges' appointment, transfers, files are sitting, to get a first response from the government. So what exactly is the situation? Why is the Chief Justice so upset with the government about this?
For judges' appointment, there is a procedure laid down by the second judge and third judge case, decided in 1903 and 1998 respectively. And certain procedure has been laid down. The government is proceeding in accordance with the procedure laid down by the Supreme Court, and there is no question of withholding any appointment. This memorandum of procedure, it has already been on behalf of the government, it has been finalized and it has been remitted back to the Supreme Court. And so far the provision enshrined in the memorandum procedure are based on both the Supreme Court judgment of 1993 and 1998. In case some conflict is there in both the judgment, one, the earlier judgment of 1993 and 1998 is of the larger bench. Now the 2015 judgment is of the 5 judges. And in case of conflict in some of the provision is there, then the government has to think about it.
So here you have it from the minister clearly and very carefully making a very good point about the fact that the Supreme Court is wrong in saying that the facts are that the government has moved fast, and we'll have to wait and watch what finally comes out of it. But nevertheless, the Chief Justice has expressed his anguish. The Law Minister says gives a different point of view.